Make your email marketing even more powerful by using our integration with Shopify. We've made it easier than ever for you to sell your Shopify products right in your Constant Contact emails, sync your Shopify contacts directly into your Constant Contact account, and even create an automated abandoned cart email complete with your shop logo. First, let's go over adding the Shopify block to your email. Just drag the Shopify block where you want it to display. Click to edit it. A pop-up will display asking you to connect your Shopify account to your Constant Contact account. Once you've connected your account, just click to select the product you want to add and click Insert. Your item, along with a Buy Now button, are automatically inserted in your email. With Shopify and Constant Contact, you can create some seriously powerful emails to help encourage sales and better your business. Check it out today with Constant Contact.